Stay safe online by learning how to spot and avoid QR code scams. This video breaks down how scammers use these technologies to steal information and how you can protect yourself with simple, smart precautions. A QR code scam occurs when a malicious QR code is scanned, leading to a phishing website or malware installation, often through unsolicited email, text, or sticker, where the user is tricked into providing personal information or downloading harmful software on their phone. Let's find out how it works.
Scammers create QR codes that link to fraudulent websites designed to steal login credentials, credit card information, or other sensitive data when scanned by a phone user.
What are the warning signs?
An unexpected source. Don't scan QR codes from emails, texts, or physical stickers from unknown senders. A suspicious URL. Check the preview of the URL before accessing it, looking for misspellings or unusual domains. Urgent language. Be wary of messages that pressure you to scan a QR code immediately. Poor design. If the QR code looks poorly designed or has obvious errors, it might be a scam.
What do we need to do to protect ourselves?
Use your phone's native scanner. Always use your phone's built-in camera app to scan QR codes. Don't download third-party scanner apps unless necessary. Verify the website. Before entering any information, carefully check the URL displayed after scanning the QR code. Be cautious in public. If you see a QR code in a public place, like a restaurant or a parking lot, verify with staff if you are unsure about its legitimacy. Report suspicious activity. If you believe you have been scammed by a QR code, contact your bank and report the incident to the appropriate authorities.
That's great. So don't fall for digital traps.
Nope. Stay informed and stay secure.
Thank you for watching.